Introduce the add-on Schedule and Email Spreadsheets for Google Sheets. The add-on lets you to send Google Sheets as PDF, CSV, TSV, HTML formats. You can email them as report ranges to different number of recipients, or you can schedule them to happen the sending of email process in the background automatically at certain specific dates. To begin, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and type Schedule and Email Spreadsheets. Click Open this. Individual install or admin install. Choose your email. Click Continue. Allow. Click Done. Now come back to Extensions, Schedule and Email Spreadsheets. Open the app. To give a brief background about the spreadsheet, we collect sales data happening in the veggie stores. Some sales happen from the store, some pickup, and some home delivery. We collect all this information in a single sheet on a daily basis. From this data, we derive the reports using formulas and derive a chart which gives some insights about the total quantity sold and the total amount that's collected and the end of day balance. We also derive payment reports, monthly reports that gives more details about the monthly quantity that is sold and the total sales happening. Here's a payment methods chart that gives the amount collected via card, online, or cash. We also have employees, targets set to the sales department, and this targets established as a timeline chart and sales database for storing historical information. Let's create a new task by clicking a button. Now on the Sheets tab, see Attach, and here choose the sheet which you would like to send as an attachment. I choose sales data and I prefer to send this as a CSV, and I click Attach. If I do not like to be attached, I choose Delete. Coming to the attachment file name, if you prefer to have sheet name as the CSV file along with the date, I choose sheet name marker. I put a hyphen here, a space, and another marker, date UK, for setting the file name dynamically, and I click Attach File. Now I also need the sales data to be attached as a PDF. Now you are presented with plenty of options for PDF. Choose the paper size, page orientation, and the scaling, the formatting and other options before you attach. In the top middle, I wish to have a page number specified. To the right, nothing. But at the bottom middle, I prefer to have this as a sheet name. I don't wish to freeze the columns, but I wish to have repeat frozen rows. Now I hit preview. Let me see how it looks before I attach. Okay, it looks like the part of it is being cut and trimmed down to a second page or a third page. I do not prefer this. Let's go to page setup again, and I prefer fit to width. I choose preview and see if my PDF is looking well. Okay, it looks good with the sales data, which is the name of the sheet. I can even combine other options like the horizontal alignment, vertical alignment. Thus, let's keep middle, and things look good to me, and I click attach file. The next would be my payments. I wish to attach this as TSV and click attach. So my attachments are completed. I click continue. Now I wish to send an email, send a name, support, or the manager, or the sales guy, or whatever if you prefer. But as a use case, I type the veggie sales. We keep email IDs as sheet ranges, and I know who the manager is, so I type bob@example.com. I would like to CC this to other people as well, so instead, using hard-coded values, I can choose to dynamically insert from a range, or by specifying each email as comma and then specifying a range. Since Charlie is always there, but these tend to change, I can have this as a marker. Every marker has a double braces with the sheet name employees surrounded with single quotes. Just like the range formats, I put an exclamatory symbol, and now I specify the range from B4 to B5. From B4 to B5, so it's dynamically inserted. Now, this should be the subject. For the subject, I prefer daily sales with a UK date, and in the body, dear team, sales, and reports for I would like to insert the daily table. That's from here to here. That's A1 to C15. I choose daily A1 to C15 from the marker. The next thing, I would like to insert the chart from the same tab, daily. Let me give an expanded view. I would like to embed this chart down. So here is a chart of this tab, but this represents the market type. This is a tab name or the sheet name, daily, and this is a number of the chart which we obtain by using the markers dropdown. Each chart has a unique ID given by the Google Sheets. After I embed this, I would like to proceed further, embedding the range from the payments, and I would prefer to have this inserted as a range, and then with image of the another chart, which is the payments and methods chart, and finally a timeline representing the targets for the sales. As you can see here, you have an option to switch from WYSIWYG editor to a HTML editor, and you have a preview. Now I can preview. I click preview. It takes a while. It says an email has been sent. Now I choose my inbox. You can see that the subject is substituted with the data with the reports. Now if you see the attachments, the file names are also being substituted, with the PDF having the report information, middle aligned, as we configured. This is the TSV file having the sales figure for different payment methods. So it looks good to me, and it's now time to proceed with continue. If this has to be sent every day, I can choose the frequency as day, every 1 day, and by what time of the hour. Although there is plus or minus 30 minutes variations, I prefer to send this at the 23rd hour. And it starts from tomorrow, and you can see the dates here upcoming. And if you'd like to exclude tomorrow, I can specify 02/26 and get the focus here so that 226 will be excluded. If I wish to exclude some other dates, you can specify comma separated 02/27, continue, and give a descriptive name, daily reports, and click save. Your task list come here. You can edit it again. Delete or do the variations, come here back again. Hit save. Or you can even export to a daily report JSON file for exporting it to some other spreadsheet, and run if you prefer to run it immediately. I hope the add-on is helpful. Thank you.